Specialty cleaning refers to the meticulous removal of dust, dirt, and debris from specific areas or surfaces that have particular needs. These specialized cleaning services often require expert knowledge and specialized equipment to ensure thorough and effective cleaning. For instance, extracting carpet and upholstery, deep cleaning of carpets and upholstery to maintain their appearance and hygiene. Area rug cleaning, specialized care for area rugs to preserve their quality and cleanliness. Strip and waxing floors, intensive floor maintenance, including stripping old wax and applying fresh coats. Post-construction cleaning, cleaning up after construction or renovation projects to remove debris and dust. Tile and grout cleaning, detailed cleaning of tiles and grout lines. Wood floor, cleaning wood, LVP, engineered wood. Pressure washing, cleaning the exterior of home and offices. Auto detailing, cleaning the interior and exterior of automobiles. These services cater to specific needs beyond regular cleaning and contribute to creating a healthier and more pleasant environment for both staff and customers. If you're interested in specialty cleaning, consider reaching out to Magic Wand Company.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.